Now we'll make the window. So we'll select the polygon, select everything, okay, and then we'll click Control and then the edge. Okay, right click, create shape, window. Okay, once we finish this, we will go to the window here, select it, go to the render, enable and viewport, enable and render. Now we see this one is really big, so we'll reduce the number. First of all, we make it rectangle, and then we reduce the number. Okay. So now we go to the front view. Front view. Okay, we can fix each one. It's not. Once you see there is a differences in height or width, you can fix it. So we'll select this one again. Okay. Select the window and then we'll convert it to editable poly. Once we finish this, we will choose the vertex and then we will do exactly the same. We are repeating the same idea. So we'll select the vertex we need. Okay. Okay, now we go to the front view, Z, and then we reduce it. It's okay, we will reduce this one with it. So okay, just remove this one. Same thing. Select each vertex. Go to the front view, Z, and then reduce it. And this is our modeling. We can also change the color of the frame of the window. And this is our modeling. Okay, let's move this one to the left a little bit. So go to the front view here and select this one, then we move it. And this is our modeling. Thank you, and I will see you in one of our courses. Thank you.